In this video, I'll show you how to set up your PS5's external storage. It's an easy process and it will erase everything on the hard drive. Make sure to back up any important files before you log in, and here's how to set it up. Turn on your PS5 and plug the external hard drive into the USB ports on the back of the console. On the PS5 home screen, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and then scroll to Settings and find Storage. In the Storage menu, select USB Extended Storage. Choose Format as USB Extended Storage, and this will format the drive and link your PS5. Your PS5 will begin formatting the drive. Make sure not to unplug the drive or turn off the PS5 until the process is complete. Once formatted, your hard drive will be ready for use as extended storage. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.